Outdoor fun brought indoors. Bring s'mores fun indoors and roast marshmallows to perfection over the tabletop electric flameless heater. Electric flameless heater. Forget the hassle of cutting wood and open flames. This unit is built with safety in mind. The electric flameless heater requires nothing but an electrical outlet to start making perfect golden brown smears. Roasting forks. Includes 2 stainless steel roasting forks to make s'mores with friends and keep hands a safe distance from the heater. Never use abrasive cleaners on the unit. Durable easy clean. Durable stainless steel base with easy to disassemble trays makes this an easy to clean s'mores maker. BPA free. Make it a party. Make any event worth celebrating. Easily set up a s'mores station during parties, family gatherings and more. Bring the great campfire tradition right into the comfort of the kitchen. Featuring a flameless electric heater, it toasts marshmallows to a perfect golden brown, while the 4-compartment server tray holds graham crackers, chocolate and marshmallows. Includes 2 stainless steel roasting forks. Top reviews from the United States. Fun family night. This works great. Easy to clean up even when someone sticks their marshmallow directly on it. You need to buy an outlet to plug it in safely, and it does get hot so older children can use it but not younger. We loved it when we took it on a large family vacation.